Hi parents, I want to give you a quick introduction to Gradelink, which is the website that our school uses for administration, for communication, recording grades, that sort of thing. You're going to get a login at parent orientation. Please keep that handy. If you forget your login, Gradelink doesn't let you reset your password. You have to go through the school office in order to find that. And it also will lock you out after 5 unsuccessful login attempts. So the only person then who can unlock you would be the school office again. So keep your login information handy. You're going to need to use it throughout the year. All right, once you get to gradelink.com, you put in your login info, you're going to be taken to a page that looks something like this. Your student's name is going to appear up here in the corner, and there's going to be just a few tabs over here. The first tab, the calendar tab, will be something that you're going to use frequently. I'm showing you mine because it's already populated with some things from last year. The main two things that I think you're going to need to look for are the goal card. If you click on View Details, it will take you to this page, and you'd click on Attachments and then be able to open the Word document. And with the goal card, then you'll be able to look at the daily assignments for that day. Now, you will get a hard copy of the goal card every other week. But if for some reason you don't happen to have it with you and you need to find out what pages are assigned for that day, you'll be able to look here on the Gradelink calendar and find the goal card. Also, there will be times when you need to look for answer keys. Most of the answer keys you're going to have a hard copy of, but for literature and a couple other random assignments throughout the year, you're going to need to look on Gradelink to find the attachments again. You'll be able to open up the attachments and grade your students' work from there. All right, the next two tabs are the Grades and Assignments tab. And when I enter a grade for a test or an assignment, it will show up in this tab on your Gradelink login. So you'll be able to pick the subject, and then that will take you to a list of all the grades that they have received for that subject. So if you're curious about what they got on a particular test, you'll be able to scroll down, find that test. Also, notice that there are these little attachment icons over here. This is another way to get to answer keys other than the calendar tab, if that's easier. All right, finally we have the alerts tab, which I think everybody should go on and set this up. But Gradelink will email you when your child receives a grade that's lower than whatever grade you select. So you'd go on here, click this button, and pick from the drop-down whatever grade you find appropriate or not, and Gradelink will send you an email when your child gets less than that. All right, that is it for this video. If you have questions about Gradelink or are having trouble logging in or finding things, please email me and I'll help you work through that. I hope that this school year is a really wonderful school year for you, and I hope that you and your student are blessed and that you have a wonderful day. Thanks.